Hi, my name is Michelle Vaughn. Today's date is 8/11/2019. This YouTube video is for lab number 6 for AMP1, Dr. Beam at Aspen University. I'm going to talk about long bones and their functions. Long bones are one of the 5 bone classifications. Long bones have a shaft and 2 rounded ends. They provide us with mobility and strength. Long bones also contain red and yellow bone marrow. Red bone marrow contains connective tissue, while yellow bone marrow is where triglycerides are stored. It is also made up of blood vessels and adipocytes. Infants and children have more red bone marrow, while adults have more yellow bone marrow. Adults' red bone marrow is limited because adults are done growing. Children have an abundant amount of red bone marrow because it aids in their growth. I am now going to talk to you about 2 different long bones and their functions. The 2 long bones that I chose to discuss are the clavicle and the femur. The clavicle, located right here on the body, right? The clavicle is a long bone. The body contains 2 clavicles. So one clavicle is right here and the other is right here. The body contains 2 clavicles and is also known as the collarbone. The clavicle bone lays in a horizontal position. The clavicle bone is part of the pectoral girdle. The clavicle aids in mobility. There are several muscles that are attached to the clavicle. Clavicle fractures are very common in all age groups. I'm going to talk about the femur now. The femur runs down from the hip down to the knee. The femur is also one of our long bones. It is the only bone that is located in the thigh. The femur aids in supporting the body's weight, and another function that our femurs perform is the allowance of motion within our legs. Thank you.